Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video in which you will get very good knowledge of Forex trading, with which you can also make trade profitable with proper technical analysis and right psychology. Today we are trading in gold versus US dollar. We have been trading in this pair for a long time. One of our subscriber has also made a lot of demand for trading videos of this pair, which I have tried my best to fulfill. If you like the video, then like it. Meet guys after applying trades. Guys, today we have directly seen profit around $300. Sellers dominate the market, due to which we have got a very good opportunity of selling. Our entry here is at the right time, so that we can manage the risk easily. Now let me explain you the trend of the market so that it will be easy for you to understand the analysis. Here the market was running in a strong uptrend for about 14 days, but still I did sell trade apply. You must have seen the reason for sell trade in the thumbnail. First of all, we will create trend channel. The market has been following this trend line for a long time, by which we will see the perfect higher low points, which is created on this trend line. This trend line has to be drawn correctly. Further analysis will be on this trend line. Draw another trend line with the same angle and place it on the higher high points. Both these trend lines are working very well, due to which our very good trend channel has been created. Here you will get to see perfect higher high, higher low points, by which the trend of the market can also be understood easily. With this you will also be able to do good analysis. The market has given a trendline breakout at this point, where we have applied trade only after breakout candle closing. Our entry is at the right time so that we can reduce the loss a bit. So far our analysis is correct. As we do further analysis, we will get more selling signals. Now we will draw strong support resistance level from which we will know the reverse of the exact market. I am using the rectangle tool for this. At this level we will see multiple support resistance points. Try to cover as many points as possible, so that we can get the perfect level. At these points you can see that the market took resistance first, later broke this level and made support, due to which resistance become support pattern has been created here. Again, a support become resistance pattern has been created at the same level. This shows that this is a strong support resistance level in the market. In future, we will see another reversal at this level, by which we will already know at what point the market can reverse. My stop loss at this point would be 60 pips up, which will be inside the trend channel and will be below the strong support resistance level. If the market goes inside the trend channel again, our stop loss will be hit, and the target point will be 120 pips down, which is double our stop loss. Here the market is changing its trade, so we can see a move till the target level. Guys, we are seeing very good profit, which is above $1,600. It happens very rarely where good profit shows as soon as the trade is applied. Guys, our profits keep on increasing. Market is going down fast. We applied the trade at the right time. Here you can clearly see the stop loss and target point. Here I am using risk to reward ratio 1:2, which I always follow. All levels are perfect. Draw here so that our trade will go in the right direction. Trades where our analysis is correct. Holding the trade is as easy as. Guys, meet after stop loss or target point is hit. Till then, enjoy the video. Beautiful move, guys. After a long wait, our target has been hit. We have waited for 3 days and 15 hours for this target, which is a long time for a trader. We were very patient here. There were many up and down moves in the market, but we hit the target with patience. The biggest weapon of a trader is his psychology. If this weapon trader knows how to handle, so he becomes a successful trader. My target was on this spot. It got hit. The market is currently at the target level. This was our calculated target, which was 120 pips below our trade. This is a huge move that we have achieved. Let me explain you the pattern of the market which is created after placing our trade. The market first took support at this level, later broke it and made resistance, due to which the support become resistance pattern has been created here. Here also we will see the same pattern where the market first took support, later breaking it. It is creating resistance, due to which a support become resistance pattern has been created here as well. In this photo you can see how does the market follow the trend. This type of pattern gives us strong signals. With this type of pattern, we can do a good analysis of any trend. Guys, our profit is running above $10,000. We deposited $4,500 in this account, who has grown more than $16,000 account. We made such a good profit with a very simple strategy, so can you. If you want to see more videos like this, check my channel playlist, in which you will get very good knowledge about trading. Guys, like the video. If you like it, subscribe the channel to see you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.